Here's a preview into the 10 things that business owners should know about AI. First, national adoption of AI is about 25% and rising. Second, bosses are overwhelmingly supportive of AI. Employees, not so much. Third, bipartisan pressure for regulation is increasing ahead of the midterms. So let's go in detail for these three. Nearly a quarter of firms in the US say that they use AI in their daily operation. According to this chart, the Census Bureau's Business Trends and Outlook survey, about a quarter of firms say that they use AI in at least one business function, and that's up from 20% at the start of the year. Unsurprisingly, the tech sector leads with adoption with around 44%, while less AI-exposed sectors like utilities, but we've highlighted that sector as a beneficiary of AI, and we expect that to make the largest gains as we go forward. Other measures like the RAMP AI index that shows the share of businesses with paid subscriptions to AI models show a much higher adoption rate, around 55%, and that's also trending higher. The bottom line is that more and more businesses are adopting AI, and boardrooms are thinking about what's the best use cases for this technology instead of, is this a technology we want to pursue? Secondly, more bosses than employees favor AI usage. According to a recent survey by Harvard Business Review, around 75% of the executives surveyed say that their employees have a favorable of AI usage in the workplace. Meanwhile, employees are far less enthusiastic. And I think that makes sense. In earnings transcripts, many firms blame AI for layoffs. But actually looking at the labor market numbers, we're not seeing a significant impact on the unemployment rate of AI-exposed jobs, meaning that AI is blamed for layoffs when we're not seeing that in the actual numbers. So they're decreasing employee sentiment, but that's not actually reflective of why people are getting laid off right now. Finally, as we head into the midterms, AI regulation is increasingly becoming a bipartisan issue. Legislators from both sides of the aisle are pursuing bills like the Frontier Act, which aims to regulate aspects about AI technology. Surveys show that a majority of Republicans and Democrats, like this chart, are for increased AI regulation, and they want more of a say about where data centers go. To read more about how to navigate this dynamic market and macro environment, please take a look at ubs.com for the latest edition of the CEO Macro Briefing Book.